How I make money with TikTok and TikTok affiliate marketing without showing my face with Faceless TikTok account in 2025. Now, if you're watching this video, it's going to be very short, 5 to 6 minutes, and you see exactly how I'm doing it, okay? So, as you can see over here, in the 7 days, I had 291,000 video views, 22,000 likes, and 1,400 comments. Now, why this is important is because, as we're going to see later, engagement is very important, the content you are using. If you have Faceless channel, yes, you don't have to show your face. There are many different methods for affiliate marketing, promoting other people's product 24/7. Do you agree with me that every single day people are buying products online? E-commerce, it's high. Don't have to believe me. Go and Google it. Okay? ClickBank affiliate marketing, it's also high. So ClickBank is an affiliate platform where you can promote for free different products from health, relationship, money, wealth, hobby niches, woodworking, solar panel, whatever. Okay? Weight loss offers, Nutra. So how this works, let me show you. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram later, my WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or email, right? So I always share it with you when I'm traveling all around the world, as you can see over here, right? And the reason why is because I love to travel and I work with affiliate marketing, promoting different offers. So it's passive income. Now, as you can see, why everyone else, when it's running ClickBank offers with ClickBank affiliate marketing, is doing it wrong, okay? And it's not your fault. The reason why is because everyone who bought $3,000, $5,000 courses, they learn that, okay, we have to create ClickFunnels landing page, quiz funnels, pre-sale page or website or blog page. Okay, but what I don't tell you is that the problem with 99% funnels is they don't create buyer's intent. You need buyer's intent because people are not on social media to buy. With TikTok in 2025, the beauty is TikTok shop. People are there to buy products. They see ads, they buy. So it's normal, it's natural feeling that they wake up in the morning, especially in Asian countries, in Europe or USA, people are scrolling, they're watching TikTok lives for hours and hours, buying clothes, weight loss products, skincare products, courses, dating courses, ebooks. So it's natural, right? And why this is important is because you have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. You have males and females. And language patterns, sales pages, ad copies are different. It makes sense, right? Because once you have someone who can help you and teach you and help you and guide you step by step, one-on-one, and hand-holding you, you will be able to once for all finally start having results in 2025, right? So let's say you have 1 million people on TikTok, or social media or YouTube or Google, you have 1 to 3% of people who are sellable. Those are people who want to buy right now, okay? So your goal as an affiliate is to put people into the problem state and move them into the solution state, which is very important, okay? You also need functional questions. Now, how I'm doing it on TikTok, as you can see over here, is this, right? Let's say if on ClickBank, when you're promoting products, you can earn $200 to even $1,000 per sale or $2,000 per sale promoting high-ticket affiliate offers. Okay, you have to understand there is also upsell take rate. One person can buy the whole funnel, entire funnel, meaning they're gonna buy everything that they see. Upsells, downsells, okay? Now, with TikTok, or you can see over here, very important is you don't have to show your face, but I have a system, I have templates, I have UGC style videos. I can use females, I can use males, depending on offer I'm promoting. And under the video, I'll post affiliate link from ClickBank. And TikTok is great because people are sharing, they're commenting, they're engaging, they're leaving positive reviews. Okay, like, for example, oh, this cream has worked for me. I clear my acne, my face is more smooth, for example, right? I get rid of my back pain, my teeth are more white or something like that, right? If you're promoting dental offers on ClickBank. So it works, it's natural. You don't have to show your face. Now you may be wondering, how long do you have to do this? You can do 20 to 30 minutes per day. 20 to 30 minutes a day of your time to make 300 to 600 US dollars per day. Would it be worth it? Have you ever tried? Have you ever asked yourself, would it be worth it to make extra $10,000 per month or even $6,000 per month? Whatever your goal is. Okay, all it's doable, of course. But let's go milestone by milestone, step by step. Baby steps, okay? So comments are really important for me. Why? On TikTok, because I'm engaging. It's free traffic. I don't have to pay for ads. One week I'm running ads the next week I stop running ads. And why it works? Because it's compounding algorithm effect, especially with AI, ChatGPT, right? What you can do is when you have someone who can help you one-on-one and guide you on a deeper psychology of this game, there are many layers to affiliate marketing. There is some surfers you see from YouTubers, and I'm not YouTuber. I'm just sharing what works in 2025 with affiliate marketing. Okay? So with TikTok, yes, it's all doable. You can see over here, right? People leaving comments. We are growing. They're sharing, right? 261 shares. Free referrals. Okay? People are happy. They're sharing. They like the video. Maybe they like the video of female sharing the skincare cream, or weight loss or whatever for protein, whey protein, whatever offer out there. You can make money with it. Or dog training niche is also huge if you love animals. Okay? Language learning. It's so many stuff you can do, but you need someone who can show exactly, okay, this offer is doing well, it's proven, it's big market. Because remember, my friend, market is important. You can have a shitty product in a great market and you're gonna make a lot of money. But you can have a great product in a small market with zero competition, you're gonna make small money. Okay? Very important to be in the right market. Then upside is unlimited. You can make as much as you want, and I can show you how. So if you're serious, if you want to make money with TikTok affiliate marketing, faceless, without showing your face on camera, you can let me know after watching this video. There is my WhatsApp number, as you can see before, my Instagram. You can DM me, follow me there, hit me up, message me on Facebook Messenger, on email, WhatsApp number. I have everything in the description below. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips now as you watch this video. And if you're really serious, if you're action taker, if you're not making excuses why you don't have enough money, why you can't invest in yourself in 2025, do not waste my time, because I don't want to waste your time either. If you're really serious and you know you want more for yourself, maybe your kids, maybe your family, maybe you want to travel more. I travel to 65 countries because of affiliate marketing. Do let me know. Let's make something happen together.